Okay, Bullied Girl tutorial and part 2. Here you go. Jump, jump, kick, move, right. Now you can land here so that you can fully unravel in one go. You'd be all proud of yourself. Then on 1 and 2 of part 3, you're getting worried. And then 3 and 4. Now, spatially, if it works better to move back 2 more steps, you can do 3 and 4 each as 2 steps. So that would look like this. 3, 4. And that's what I'm doing in the other videos, but I think spatially it's probably better if you just do 3 and 4. So we'll go with that one for now. And then it would be 5 and 6, 7, sorry, that gallop would be pushing, 7 and 8, okay? We'll do that one more time so you can see the space. So again, here, here, up, move, right, down here, ta-da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, with the arms going heart, head, and up. Then you would finish, so that would be 1. Okay, so the spins go, you're spinning to the right, and you're spinning 2 for each number, approximately. If you can't fit them all in, I accept that, but it would be 1. Okay, so that was 2 spins for the word 1. 2, that's another 2 spins, that's 4 spins total. And then number 3 would bring you up to 6 spins. So then number 4, you're gonna push. 5, you're gonna push. 6, you come to this pose. That's your ending pose later. 7, you're switching sides of the arms and pulling the leg back. 8, you're pushing down with your right arm, coming around and stopping over at corner 6. Okay, just glance back at me, you can see. Pushing corner 6. Now let's take our left hand behind us and push through to wall number, ooh, I said corner 6, that's corner 4. Now we're gonna push wall number 3. Okay, wall number 3, and then you pull into your pose. Okay, so let's do it again. So that would be 4, 5, 6, the elbow really comes up, 7, switching elbows, 8, push the right arm down and back, 9, push through with the hand, 10, and the music ends on 11, okay? So you do end 1 beat before everyone else does, and that is intentional. If you're a little behind and you land on 11, that's fine, I accept that. So that was part 3. Now we're moving into part 4. This is the one where you are pleading for forgiveness. So I picture you doing your hands like this, forgive me, forgive me. You can mouth the words to help you get into character. So you would be here. The music starts and you're stepping to Susu, forgive me, okay? Then you're chassing, step, turn, forgive me, right foot still in front. Now you're diagonally facing corner 4, okay? Then it's going to be a little glissade, turn, forgive me, okay? So 3 strikes and you're done. So we're upset now. Oh, please forgive me, we're a little more undone, the legs are apart, okay? Then it's gonna be, you know I gotta check it, give me 1 second. Sorry about that. So you would be over here, you would gallop, step to arabesque, and then it's gallop, turn, and you're coming all the way to fall on your left foot. So one more time, you're here, gallop to here, gallop to turn, and here. And if 2 spins makes more sense, that's fine. You fall on your left foot approximately, but you really just need to look distressed. So you just need to fall out of this move with just all the emotion. This is a really acting moment, so the precision of the steps is not as important to me. So you're falling out. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Okay, now part 5 is where Giselle is going to bully you personally, and you are going to be sort of straitjacketed back into conformity, okay? So, you're back here, and you would be standing on your right foot so that you can kind of hold to here. This is palm flat to the floor, not super flat like this, but just like, it's sort of a alarmed pose, like I'm gonna block in any second, right? So we're doing that as acting over here. A little bit of an alarmed pose, a little bit of a lift in the shoulder on the left side. We're gonna bring our right hand up, kind of blocks us like it's protecting us, but it's also sort of surprise, it's by the mouth, and there's like a, with your hand, or with your face, right? So kind of a drawing in. As you watch Elena walk around you, you need to sort of eye her suspiciously, like you're not sure what's gonna happen next, okay? And so she's doing her thing, and then you're going to lift up to attitude. I believe the arms come here, okay? And then we're going to be putting them away, and you look sad while you do it. This one holds perfectly still, and then after this one's tucked away, this one moves, okay? And then you would turn this in to parallel rotere, and you're sort of setting your shoulders, and then it's 1, 2, 3, turn, 4. And it's almost that slow. And then you will be in this position approximately when you're ready for your spins. And so everyone else is coming from here into the spins. You'll just sort of wait for the music, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go into part 6, which you can learn with the group. Okay, so I think that's it. You got this.